cubes are there. Two cubes are there. Each of them have side or edges 7 centimeter. Now, if these two cubes are joined, then what will be the volume of resultant figure? Quickly solve it. 656, 686. Anyone else? Okay, both of you, that Ronak and Amrita, 686 centimeter cube. Anyone else? Rajana 686. Okay, so if you find, okay, so I am asking some question. Who will answer? Just Rajana, tell me. Only Rajana will say. To find the. Wait 1 minute, student. These two cubes are joined like along this. Just keep it beside. Okay, like in this way. So then Rajana, tell me what will be the height of the resultant cube? Yes, 7, 14 and 7. So volume equal to length into breadth into height, that is 7 into 14 into 7. So resultant 686. Got it everyone? 686 centimeter cube. Got it everyone? Next question. Okay. Now, students, tell me. Which one of this correct? Which one of this is correct? X minus y by 2 and x plus y by 2 by 5 and 10. Option B. Okay. Amrita answer option B. Anyone else? Anyone else? Option D. Option B or option D? Option one, option D. Okay. Okay. Option D. Dia, Nafisa. Okay. As I think, as it is last day, that's why many students have joined. Usually they are not, they have not joined in many classes. Okay, they have not joined many classes. I think, is it true? Amrita, Rajanna, many students have joined today. Actually, it is not happened in ordinary day. As before the last class, before exam, that's why they think that some sir will discuss some question. Okay, option D. Those are maximum of you are answering that, sir. The answer is option D. Okay. Okay. Now question two. Question two. Suhana. Suhana, you have written that option for D is correct or option 4 is correct. Okay. So now tell me what is the value of x and y, Suhana. Only Suhana will say. What is the value of x and y, Suhana? Give me answer. You have answered very fast. That is 3. Already 2 minutes ago you have answered. Quickly. Diakos is typing. Oh my god. Dia, you need to change the that mode, that grid view mode. Okay. Okay. Those who have joined that Amrita, Rajanna, help those that what need to do. Help those students, those who are that showing. Click the grid view. Already, yes. For your option that select the grid view mode, that your problem will be solved. It is clear. Yes. Thanks to Amrita and Abhinandan. Okay. Okay, who will say that I have asked the question to Suhana almost 2 minutes before. Now Suhana is offline. Okay. Next. Okay, Ronak, you will say. Ronak, you will say what is the value of x and y in this question. You have also answered D. Ronak is now offline. Okay. Mayuk said. Mayuk, you have answered that option D or option E. No, you have not answered. That Suhana, Amrita, Ronak, if now online? No, it's not online. Okay, Abhinandan, you can say what is the value of x and y. You can say what is the value of x and y. Quickly, so many time is going on. X equal to 20, y equal to 10. Yes, very good. X equal to 20, y equal to 10. That is the value of, that is the difference of, but no need to go the calculation. Just look at that x minus y by 2 equal to 5. So x minus y equal to 10. From that relation you will get that x minus y equal to 10. Okay, no need to solve yet also. Next question. P of any event is 0.04. What will be this event, probability of this event? Quickly answer. What will be the probability of this event? E bar, probability of any event is 0.04, probability of E bar 0.96. Anyone else? Okay, we know that probability of any two event, that is P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. Now P of E is 0.04. Obviously it will be 0.96. Okay, obviously it will be 0.96. Okay, next question. Ten cards are there. On that each card written. I have selected one card. Find that card B. Find the probability of that card being in a number is written on that is one digit number. I have selected a card. Find the probability of that card should be an one digit number card. Yes, 9. And it's very easy question, student, because up to 9 they are one digit. Total number of possible cases 10. Total number of possible cases 10, and that is 9. 9 by 10. Okay. Next question. Getting prime number. What is the probability of getting a prime number? Look at the board. Student, prime number, this one, and this one. So how many prime numbers are there? 4. So the correct probability is 4 by 10. 10 is possible cases, 4 cards are there which are not composite. Now getting composite number, 4 by 10, yeah. Rajanna has written 6 by 10, Amrita has written 5 by 10. Okay, anyone else? 5 by 10 is okay. Nafisa, what is 5 by 10? Okay, look at the board. How many composite number are there? 10 is the composite number, 9 is composite number, 6 is composite number, 8 is 6 is composite number, 4 is composite number. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Okay, students, it is clear. So today I end this class, and 1 I have not taken 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Rajanna, it is clear. 1 is neither prime nor composite. That's why 1 I have not taken. And one thing students, that if you have any problem, if you need any video on any matter, then any discussion, just write it down in the e-portal. Okay, e-portal chat box. Before exam, if you need any kind of explanation of anything, write it down in the e-portal video, e-portal chat box. I will make that video and send your YouTube channel. Okay, upload YouTube channel. I hope your exam will be good, because as during the year I have taken so many classes, so you are able to get a good score. Okay. So before exam, it is the last class. That's why best of luck to everyone. If you have any doubt further, then I will make the offline video, but it is the last class. Thank you everyone. Bye. And last